guys, welcome to my vlog. So my brother annoying me over there. In my back. So my mom going to leave home because it's 10:30. So we're gonna sleep over here before 10:30. Just 10:20. Oh, this is my mom. I have a clip over there in the top. I take it up because it's annoying if over tight. My hair is going up. So let's bye guys. See you soon.